Okay, we got a 2013 Audi Q5. We got rear brakes. So, as you can see, if you look through the window, pads, they worn pretty bad. So we're gonna go on and take this off and get these pads out of here. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. We're gonna spray. Spray there. Spray there. Spray a little bit in there. Okay. I believe it is that bolt. I think that's a 12 or 13 millimeter. So let's see. See how that's spinning? Gotta get something to hold that so we can get it out of there. But that's good, it's spinning. It's not seized up. The pin, cause see sometimes this pin, it gets seized up in here, it's a nightmare. But we got free movement, see? So that's a good thing. So what you do, you hold it. Some pliers. Let's see if I can show y'all how to do it. I'm working off the iPhone today, people. So that's all you do, just hold it with the pliers, take it out. That simple. We can take it right out. We do the same down here, and we can get the caliper off. Okay. So we got the bolts out. Pry back that caliper. That. Okay, now we get in here. See how the pads looking, people. Okay, this the outer pad. See, still got some meat on it, but that inner, because this is where the pressure of the caliper always hits this side. So this pad gonna always wear out quick. And as you can see, she's gone. Look like two different pads, to be honest. I think they changed the outer and didn't change the inner. Wow. Okay, but I got some new ones. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. We're gonna get this back installed. Alright. Putting the pads in. Like so. That's it. Put some grease on the ends for slide on them tracks. Okay. That's it. I finished securing them down. that's it. So I'll get this in and we're done deal. Quick job on the back brakes. Okay, see they in? Locked in. Got the grease. Make sure you grease them ends down there where you see that white red grease. And also make sure these move freely. You got free movement on them. Good to go. Okay, people, so to compress this piston in, these got electric brakes on here. So you gotta send direct power to here. I'm trying to work off an iPhone. I left my GoPro, people, so bear with me. You gotta put direct power here. So I got a power probe. I'm gonna give it direct power so I can move that piston. We can move that piston right there. Okay, so here we go. That's it. See, people? You just turn it, it'll go in. See? Go right in, people. Easy. That's what you gotta do. So, y'all see what to do. See? It's in. Fully compressed. So that's how you do it. You have to put 12 volts of power. It's electric brakes. So I used a power probe. And now we're gonna put it together. So that's it, people. They back on, slap the tires on. It's good to go. So now you see how to do the rear brakes. On the Audi, they got electric brakes, so I showed you how to do it. Like I said, you're gonna need this. This is a power probe. It sends 12 volts to anything. You can test different stuff with it. C-clamp, need a big one. 13 millimeter wrenches. 11 millimeter, you need a 13. And that's pretty much it. Put the tires back on, we're good to go. Oh, part number for the brakes. That's the part number. They only $24 at AutoZone.